Good afternoon, Figaholics friends. This is a variety called Italian 376. It's one of the figs that was introduced by Todd Kennedy and Dr. Grassi in Italy when he moved to Rome. I've told this story before on forums and so forth because I met Dr. Grassi in 2001 when I attended a chestnut conference in Italy, and he remembered me, and I asked him if he could revive any of these numbers. But he explained that when he moved his office to Rome, he lost the names of these varieties that were just numbered, or trees were just numbered, and so he lost that. Some people had blamed Todd Kennedy for losing the names or whatever. Anyway, that's the background of that. Todd Kennedy introduced these. These were supposedly mostly collected from southern Italy, and so if that's of any help in identifying the original variety name, I don't know. We've not had much success with that. Anyway, there's a few figs ripening on here. Kind of interesting how the progression is quite varied there. There's some that are quite large next to, that's right there, behind it is a fig that is further behind in development. There are some ripe figs, I know, because I picked some already the other day. Let's see if this one's ripe here, and this does make breba fruit also. Tore that a little bit. A little bit delicate skin. Large fruit. It's very sweet. I'm not sure how else to describe the flavor. Maybe a mild berry, I guess, is what I would say. I'm not sure what berry I would equate it to. It's just a mild, very sweet, juicy, not too juicy, but fairly so. Not a dry, thick, pasty type texture, but pleasant fig. Let me see if I can find one more. That fig probably, it was good. A day later, maybe would have been ideal. Thought I saw one here earlier. Very productive. I've pruned this heavily for cuttings. That's not right. Well, that's all I'm finding now. Anyway, it gives you an idea. It's a good productive fig. Early to mid-season when it starts ripening. Anyway, thanks for watching.